All right, here's a quick video of the two Thermal Care chillers that we talked about, Nick. The first one, this is the NQA10 unit. I don't know if you can see that okay on there. I've pulled the panels off here, get a quick look inside. These two panels, they just mount up here in place, but I took them off so we could see inside. Here's the electrical cabinet. Everything's been closed, it's clean and neat, all in good shape. Here's the back side. We actually keep this protective, just another layer of filter protection before it gets into the fins to keep gross particles out. Input and output side, process supply, process return. That's just the loop. Okay, so that's the first one.